Sylvia and Bird by Rayner. In a faraway place, on a high mountain top, lived a shimmer-shiny dragon named Sylvia. Turn the page. Sylvia loved her leafy home, but sometimes she felt sad. She searched the whole world, but never found any other dragons. Sylvia was lonely. She's so sad. She gave a big blustery sigh. And there, under the leaves, was a small surprised bird. Hello. Bird was building a nest, and Sylvia thought she might be able to help. Bird and Sylvia became friends. Being together was so much fun. Bird and Sylvia spent all their days together, just like friends do. There they are. But when Bird went to chitter-chatter with the other birds, Sylvia felt alone. Bird belonged with the other birds, but Sylvia, she was different. She had no dragons to belong with. Oh dear. Sylvia crept away. She gazed up at the night sky. Maybe there were other dragons living on the moon. She would go and see, but the thought of leaving Bird made Sylvia feel sadder than ever. But Bird saw that Sylvia was unhappy. She had an idea. They would go to the moon together. Woo! Off they set, racing through the cool blue sky. Birds! As Bird and Sylvia whirled higher and higher, Bird grew cold and tired, and suddenly she began to tumble down, down, down through the clouds. Oh no! With a cry, Sylvia swooped to catch her tiny friend and gently carry her home. And there they stayed. For Sylvia realized she didn't need any other dragons to be happy. The best friend in the whole world was loving, loyal Bird. What a lovely story. There's Sylvia and there's Bird. They're friends. And that's the end.